What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Clean Machine Auto Detailing. Today, you guys, we are back on two wheels working on another Harley. This one's not your typical Harley though. It's got air ride and a center stand. It's pretty cool. Let's see how dirty it is. Let's see how clean we can get it in the end. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the main focus here is to get the bug guts and heavy water spots off the bike before we can even think about doing a ceramic coating. The saddlebags need to come off too, so we can get the back sides cleaned up. I'll use mcguiars bug and tar remover as a first step to start loosening up bugs and the road grime. This stuff is great, and for only $6 a bottle, you can't go wrong. Make sure to give it some time to dwell in between rinses though. I really enjoyed working on this 21-inch front wheel. The spaces were so big, I could use a detail brush on the entire wheel. With the bike rinsed off and the wheels done, we can move into the pre-wash and detail brush phase. There are a ton of spots on these bikes that the wash mitt will miss. It's best to take it slow and use a detail brush as much as possible. little stuff out of the way, we can go ahead and now use the actual wash mitt and do the 2-bucket method to completion. Time to tackle those saddlebags. They are very easy to take off and get the backside. They will be reinstalled and cleaned like the rest of the bike later. It's time for 303 sealant and slow-mo for you guys. Time to dry. I use the leaf blower where I can, towels as needed, then to finish off the air compressor to get in all the tight spots. What's up guys, thanks for making it this far with me. We're actually on day 2 now with the Harley. We've got everything decontaminated, the saddlebags taken off, got those cleaned from behind as well, and we removed a lot of hard water spots yesterday. Today the plan is we're going to do a one-step with the mcguiars Ultimate Detailer. We'll go ahead and throw some wax on that and polish after, make it nice and shiny, and then we'll go ahead and finish up with some ceramic. This time we're going to be using Mother's CMX ceramic spray coating. This is an SiO2 and a titanium oxide nano quartz technology coating. So I've used this a few times, really liked it. Customers said they wanted ceramic, so this is what we'll go ahead and get them. Stick around, that big reveal at the end is coming up. Thanks for watching this far though. I'll use the mcguiars Ultimate Compound for an even finish, Chemical Guy's Wet Mirror Finish for a second step, and lastly, finish up with Mother's Ceramic for the final treatment. The ceramic really adds depth and that mirror finish that we're looking for. What's up guys and good morning. We're done with the Harley. The owner is on the way to come pick it up right now. So this one was pretty fun. Got to do a little bit of ceramic coating at the end. Thanks for sticking around till the end. So let's go ahead and get to some shots for you guys so you can see what the finished product looked like. Those of you who'd like to get your car or motorcycle detailed by myself at Clean Machine Auto Detail, go ahead and check me out on Facebook at Clean Machine Auto Detailing and schedule an appointment.